Tired of hefty currency conversion fees and worrying about online shopping security in Southeast Asia? Let's dive into how Revolut virtual cards can revolutionize your digital payments. First, open your Revolut app and navigate to the cards section. If you don't have a Revolut account, you'll need to sign up and verify your identity. It's a quick and straightforward process. Next, tap on Create a Virtual Card. You can typically create multiple virtual cards for different purposes. €1, say, one for online shopping, another for subscriptions, €1 keeping your main Revolut card details secure. Revolut instantly generates a unique, newly made card number, expiry date, and CVV. This is completely separate from your physical card, meaning if a website is compromised, your primary card remains safe. When you're shopping online, simply use these virtual card details at checkout. Just like you would with your physical card, the transaction will be processed through Revolut, which then deducts the amount from your Revolut balance. One of the biggest benefits in Southeast Asia is currency conversion. Revolut automatically converts currencies at competitive exchange rates, often saving you money compared to traditional card fees when shopping on international sites. For added security, you can even use disposable virtual cards. These cards automatically expire after a single transaction, perfect for websites you're not entirely sure about. Revolut virtual cards give you immense control. You can freeze or delete them instantly through the app if you suspect fraud, ensuring your money stays safe. And there you have it. Revolut virtual cards offer a secure and cost-effective way to navigate the digital payment landscape in Southeast Asia. For more tips and tricks on maximizing your Revolut experience, make sure you subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We're here to assist you in any way we can.